EMDR is a slightly controversial yet effective treatment for sufferers of PTSD. EMDR stands for eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, and it is not just for combat veterans. This is used to treat people who have been victims of traumatic, life-changing events, including sexual assault. It is a way of healing the mental hurt that result, much like one would use a band-aid to aid in healing a cut. When desiring to get EMDR training, Denver is able to meet this need. EMDR works by utilizing eye movement. A therapist or psychiatrist that has been trained in the use of EMDR administers the treatment. It works best over a series of sessions. This form of therapy allows the client to process traumatizing memories and then move forward. They do not go away, but they become more manageable. This treatment can also be returned to should the client regress. In the beginning, the client journalizes about the painful experiences. The memories are then rated on a numerical scale in relation to the amount of emotional pain they experience when reliving the memory. They must also relate what negative thoughts these experiences made them think about themselves. In treatment, the therapist asks the patient to return to the memory in their mind. Once fully engaged, the administrator holds up 2 fingers, moving them in a pattern. The client follows the pattern with their eyes. They may react in different ways depending upon the emotional impact that reliving the experience has. A trained administrator can steer them through their responses. Over a series of treatments, the emotional distress begins to lessen. The therapy then turns to the creation of positive affirmations about the client. They select these affirmations with the assistance of the administrator. The use of EMDR allows a PTSD sufferer to move beyond the devastating effects of memories of these events. Training must be undertaken before the therapist attempts to treat a client. Due to the nature of some memories and the emotional upheaval that can occur on the way to healing, the administrator should know how to manage these reactions. A trained therapist will be able to assess what is working for the client and even when it may be time to suspend treatment for various reasons. At any time, either the client or the administrator could choose to stop the session. There is no need for further trauma to occur. Training for this is given via lectures, live practice, and video. There are also supervised practice sessions for the therapist. A particular mental health professional may choose to focus on certain types of clients, such as rape victims. This training can be invaluable to therapy practice. When looking for EMDR training, Denver can fill your needs. It is easy to find trainings in the area with a simple internet search. There is a cost for training, but it includes manuals and all the workshops needed to ensure that the training is comprehensive. These are open to mental health professionals who are seeking to find a way to ease their clients' suffering.